This is a well-used 1/8 inch cut-off disc for a 4 1/2 inch grinder. This, on the other hand, is a new 1/16 inch cut-off disc, again for a 4 1/2 inch grinder. This combination of the 4 1/2 inch grinder and the 1/16 inch cutting disc is a very economical way to cut metal. This is a 1/8 inch piece of mild steel using the square and the scribe. Since I scribed it, you can run this soapstone over the scribe mark, rub it off, and now I have a line to follow. What I want to do first is just get a groove, get a straight groove across there. Once I have that groove, I can follow it, each time cutting just a little deeper. It's kind of a slow process, but it does give a clean cut. Since this disc is 1/16 of an inch, I'm taking out about the same amount of material I would with a jigsaw blade. Ending up with a few slivers, which can easily be removed with the diagonal cutters, and then using a file to finish it off. And if you'll notice here, I'm wearing gloves because this metal is hot. As you can see, a very respectable cut. This is an air-operated 3-inch cut-off tool using a 3-inch abrasive disc. As you'll see, this tool comes with its own guard, safety guard. I use this frequently to cut out welds or brazes. Another use I found for the 3-inch cut-off tool is to make these grooves in this block of steel so that when I'm making a bicycle rack, I can put the rods in and they stay fixed in place right in the grooves, and then I can braze them together so that every bicycle rack is uniform. I just checked some prices, and for as little as $15, you can buy an inexpensive 4 1/2 inch grinder and $8 for a 10-pack of cutting discs, which means that for less than $25, you can have a quality cutting setup. These air-operated cut-off tools often on sale for $10, and a pack of discs $7 or $8. So again, an inexpensive cutting tool for cutting metal. This is a 14-inch Makita cut-off saw, or often called a chop saw. I use this to cut off pipe, angle iron, and heavy round and flat stock. Ideally, I like to set this up outside. As you can see, there are a lot of sparks. Now when I set this up correctly, I can get good 90-degree cut, 45 degrees, 30 degrees, whatever. As you can see here, there's a slight burr that easily comes off with a pair of diagonal cutters. Here's a close-up, and you can see how easily this goes through some 1/8 inch thick angle iron. Here I'm finishing a cut on some 3/16 inch thick angle iron. finish cuts in the 3/16 inch angle iron.